Come with me again, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel again. Um, Join me as I take a market breakdown on a trade I took on GBPCAD. Yes, as you can see, the trade is here. We've actually smashed TP1 and TP, but I want to take you to the genesis of the trade, how this bearish setup was actually formed. Initially, we actually had a bullish signal. That means in the beginning, the market had actually given me a signal that we are actually going to buy. You can see from here, we had what? This bearish candle. You can see this long bearish. We are in the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, and we are going to use pure price action, do the market breakdown, just find out the suitable entries, how we got to make this beautiful setup that has just happened. We had this bearish candle, and next to this bearish candle, we had a bullish signal. You can see a bullish signal was formed. We come and draw our lines to mark here, then we mark the possible end of the market direction here. Mark this bearish for our candle. Yes. So from here, since the market had given us a bearish, a bullish signal, and one thing I've actually talked about before in my previous video, I said the market can always give us signals. The market can give you either a bullish or bearish signal, but a market giving you a bearish signal doesn't mean the market is, it's a must that the market must sell, must actually sell. And the market giving you a bullish signal is not actually a must that that market is actually going to buy. Things can still change along the way because in the forex market, there is always a lot of struggle, a battle between the buyers and the sellers, and there are a lot of invisible variables that control the market. Because the market can even give you a signal and give you all the confluences that are needed for a buy setup. Then there are also some other visible variables that happen along the way that end up changing the market direction. So the key to win in the forex market is just to be flexible. Learn to be a flexible trader. Learn to go with the flow. Learn to go with what the market is giving. So as you can see, initially we are actually given a bullish signal. Yes, the market went here, as you can see, tried to actually buy, but from here we got rejected. The buyers were rejected, and as we got rejected, the sellers came here. We got some bearish. The buyers came here strong. Sorry, the sellers came here strong, and after that happening, we had to draw. Yeah, initially I was talking about these two lines when they are actually two bullish trend lines. The two bullish trend lines, we call them the bullish trend channels. And when there are two bearish trend lines, as you can see, I drew here, we call them the bearish trend channels. Yes, from here, then we had to draw our what? We actually had to come here, and we are still in the 4-hour time frame. Then we draw our bullish trend channels, as you can see, even here to here. Then we also had to draw the bearish trend channels from here to here and here to here. Get it? Yeah, so we have bearish both the bearish trend channels and the bullish trend channels. We are still in the 4-hour time frame, and initially as I'd actually spoken before that you can see the buyers have been strongly rejected, then the sellers are actually have entered like a bit strong in the market to get. Yeah, so from here we can let's scroll and go back to the 1-hour time frame. The 1-hour time frame is here. As you can see from the 1-hour time frame, yes, the trade actually came. Actually, I did not. If actually I'd planned to take my bearish entry from here, because you can see initially from here we had a bearish change of character. After having a bearish change of character, I expected the market to go and tap into the bearish trend line and give a rejection and give a bullish rejection, then come down, give me a bullish angle, then I could enter. I could actually take this trade, but I did not take this trade from here to here because the market did not retrace to my desired point of interest. So I had to let this setup flow. Yes. But I'm glad. I'm glad at least I'm trading according to my plan. Yeah, I'm happy about that. So I missed this trade. I missed this trade from here to here. Then after missing that, yes, the market still did wonders and came and broke out of the the bearish trend line. We had a what? A bearish trend line. The market came and broke here. After breaking it, created another bearish change of character. After the bearish change of character had been created, as you can see, you can actually see my arrows. I did this. I expected the market to come after doing the bearish change of character to come and tap into the bearish trend line and come down. Then I enter into I take my sell. But yes, the market went and almost completed the sell. The forex market is very funny. The forex market is actually very funny, but yeah, if you stick to your rules and yeah, you try not to breach, there's a way you kind of beat through the game. So the market came here when it was at the trade was almost getting done. The market went, returned and tapped into the bearish trend line after giving this retracement, giving a pullback, a correction. The setup was actually corrected. After being corrected, yes, I knew it was now safe to enter this bearish trade. So when I entered, yes, it was a beautiful sell. As you can see, the market came and tapped into my take profit one. Yes, that we booked the take profit one. The market again came and smashed the take profit. So it was a very beautiful trade. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much. Keep up with me and continue following me. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would like to know your feedback concerning my setups. I'll be glad to interact with you. Thank you so much. Catch you again next time. Thank you.